I think it's like, I don't want to say in times of climate change, because the climate's always changed, but that's really what it comes down to with farmers, is that, shit happens with the weather. It's always going to be man against nature in that way. And I don't like to think about that we're against nature. I would try to live within nature as much as possible. But at the end of the day, a big bad rainstorm is going to screw you over, and it's going to screw over your crops. So you need to protect yourself and your crops. So I think greenhouses are the best way to do it. I've said this many times before. Number one thing you can invest in on your farm is greenhouses. They're going to give you the fastest return, and you can get as advanced as you want. But the great thing about caterpillar tunnels is that they're quick and dirty. You can get two guys can get a caterpillar tunnel up in an hour, and that's a 100-foot tunnel. So, and I've seen it, I've done it. So it's worth the money.